What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Marcos, and today we're reviewing a Poetic case. These Poetic cases are super strong. The one we have is the Poetic Spartan for an iPhone 13, so we're gonna check it out. Let me bring it out of the box. This is what we get in the box. We get the Poetic Spartan case, which is a nice case. It has nice drop-proof protection all around your phone. It's gonna keep your phone from breaking. It does have this nice kickstand right here, so you can lay your phone up like this. It also has a built-in plastic shield, so your screen's not going to be scratched, and it has a nice curve around, so like if your phone does fall on its face, it's not going to break. These are tested for drop proof, so I've actually thrown a couple of these a couple times. We're actually going to put in our iPhone in here, and we're actually going to drop it and see if anything happens. We're actually going to go outside and drop it in the concrete, so let's see what happens. Very easy setup. Pretty much the top piece goes on top of the front of the iPhone, then the back piece just goes in like this, and you want to squeeze all the edge all around so your screen's all protected. And this is what it looks like. So let's see, this is what it looks like. Your camera's not going to get damaged if you drop it because it has this edge around here that's going to protect it. Has a nice bumper all around. It does cover the charging port, and it covers the silent button right here and the volume buttons right there. So it does give it a nice natural feel. It'll protect your phone from drops, as you can see, and it even has these holes for the speakers and the sensors in the front. So let's go outside. Let's see what happens with it if we drop it. And we're outside. As you can see, beautiful display in the front. We have the case. Let's actually throw it. Let's see what happens. It's kind of raining, so let's see what happens. Let's pick it up. Nothing happened. As you can see, just the kickstand kind of open, but the phone is safe, and we're in concrete. And let's see one more time. One more time, put to the test. As you can see, it's kind of raining. Let's see if it happens. Nothing happened to the camera. Nothing happened to the phone as well. So beautiful case, protects the phone. Not even a scratch on the case itself. Maybe a little smudge there, but that's it. So this was just a quick unboxing and testing of these cases, and we're going to do one more drop before we go. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.